In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Shopify store by installing and setting up the ShipGuard app for shipping protection. This process is straightforward and adds an additional layer of security for you and your customers, helping to ensure that orders reach their destinations safely. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin homepage. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're on the home page, look for the Settings option on the left-hand menu and give it a click. The Settings is your go-to area for configuring various features of your Shopify store. After clicking on this, you'll then see a section labeled Apps and Sales Channels. This is where you manage all the third-party apps connected to your Shopify store, so click on that. Next, you need to click on the link to the Shopify App Store. This is the place where you can browse and install apps that add new features and functionalities to your store. Once in the App Store, go to the search bar and type in ShipGuard. This will bring up a list of apps related to shipping protection. Look for the app titled ShipGuard, Shipping Protection, and select it. After opening the app page, you'll see detailed information about the app and its features. Scroll down until you find the Install button and click on it. Installing the app is an automatic process, so once you click, Shopify will handle everything for you. Once the installation is complete, head back to your Shopify dashboard. Now, with the app installed, we need to integrate it into your online store visually. For this, first, navigate back to your Shopify online dashboard and click on Online Store, which appears on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll be able to manage the theme of your store and how everything looks to your customers. Select Customize, which will open the theme editor, allowing you to make changes to the appearance of your store. In the theme editor, locate the App Embeds section. This section is essential for embedding apps like ShipGuard directly into your store's layout. Once there, find the Shipping Protection toggle button. All you need to do is enable this toggle. By enabling it, you're allowing the ShipGuard app to be embedded into your store, thus making the shipping protection active on your customer orders. And there you have it, a fully integrated ShipGuard shipping protection app right on your Shopify store. By following these simple steps, you have successfully added an extra layer of security for your shipments, providing peace of mind for both you and your customers. Thanks for following along, and happy selling on Shopify.